Guys, so today it's gonna be a little bit of a different video. I obviously procrastinate and I gotta do a couple things, but today we're gonna go to car show. Be the first one in, I don't know, I don't think I ever recorded a car show. Oh, I did, maybe the season opener. But today we're gonna go to a car show. We're gonna take the Audi, the B8 whatever, and I still gotta do the oil change. I still gotta check the tires because I think I left one of the spacers in the stock tire. And the show's in like 4 hours. Because I'm lazy and I want to try my new toy out, I'm going to use the manual oil extractor and hopefully get... Well, I don't know if it's backwards. How do you turn this thing? This way? I should probably read instructions like everything else. Oh, hold on. Alright, so out of all the wheel spacers that I left on, obviously this was the one that was stuck, but whatever. Alright, let's get to a B-roll of the wheels and the whole car. Look at that, just so clean. Alright, ready? Alright, we're out here. Cars are coming. They're pulling in. It's filling up fast. You got this lot, that lot over yonder way. And yeah, all this will probably be B-roll with music in it. Enjoy! Perfect.